Let's go to the sun. Dilana, don't do that. Don't say that. Ni. Oh, you put. Why you do that? So where you going? Why you put it on? Oh, you're gonna use it? Oh. No, that hurts. Yeah, we don't want to hurt yourself. Let me push this one inside. No, I need to push it so you have a space. Yeah. Nee. Oh, you need help? Okay, I'll open the door. Are you going outside? I'll open the door.
Teacher, mommy.
Thanks to God. Okay. Whoa. Galing ah. Whoa. Good job. You're getting better. Wow. Nice. Yay. Wala yung mga angel ni ano ngayon ah. It's a practice. Oh, wow. Oh, there's no moose there. You tricked me?
Yeah.
Wala yung mga mumu ngayon na. It's 8 p.m. Oh, you okay? Oh, come on. Good job. Yeah, it's part of the practice. It's fine. You're tough girl. Mga busy sa school, ang mga mumu. Ay, school start na ba? Nag-start na ng school? Oo. Practice. 1. You have to be fast. Look ahead, anak. Don't look down. Yeah, look where you're going. 1, 2, 3. Just okay. There you go. Perfect. See, you don't look down. Look up. Ay, pasukan na. 3 weeks pa si Jelana. Yay. Always look up. Oh, talaga. Nasa summer camp pa si Jade saka si Jolene. 3 weeks pa. Di pa. Wow. Galing ah. Oh, you okay? Oh, we need to bring that inside then. You're done? Okay, let's bring it inside. You have to put it up. Okay, good job. Nice. Okay, I'll open the door, okay? Oh, wow. Where are you going? Oh. No. Come on. Good practice. It's okay. Good job. Nice. It's okay. When we have your black top, you're not going to fall now. Okay, you want to bring it inside? Park it inside? It's okay. You want to park it inside now?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
I can do it though. Gravel pa kasi. Okay, you can do it now. Okay. Thank you. Oo nga, Shelene. Mahulog, sinabi mo. Si Jelana, everybody falls. You have to get up all the time, right?